there, I have decided that I'm going to just play with, this is a play day, okay? A la Jean Haynes, which she's worked at this for 50 years. I've worked at it for 20, and not on just this. So what I'm going to do, I've already sketched my flowers, and I have, well, except for right there, pretty much lightened the far side. And I'm going to wet up to this, ooh, won't matter because I'm going to wet up to this line. The brush I'm using is an Isaby 6235 pedigree, size 4. And this is what they call a cat's tongue, because it's filbert on the edge and then comes up to a point. Alright, so I'm going to wet everything. A little dry brushing. Okay, and I'm using some colors that I had on my plate. This is the Cotty paper. I'm just going to see what happens. And the water won't go where it's not wet. Alright, here's some undersea green. Just enjoy it. And some cobalt turquoise. Gonna have to get rid of that. I'm gonna switch. That wasn't a cobalt. That was a Kingman turquoise, and it's a little bit hard to get going. Just splashing some paint around. And see how it does on those wet areas. And a little bit of perylene green. I really want some more of that turquoise. And some more of the now that's going to dry lighter. So I'm thinking I'm going to do some more of the dark. I like the way it's dripping down there. Okay, now, while it's still wet, this is Permanent Yellow Light. I'm going to spray the back of it. I'm going to let it touch on that side. Well, it's still wet. Let these in the back blend a little bit more. Sprinkle a little bit of water. Now I'm going to let it dry naturally, because this is when the pigment really shines on these Daniel Smith colors. I'm going to keep working on it now that I've kind of got it behaving. A little bit. And I'm going to pick a Cad Yellow Deep. See, I need a little bit of red.